I decided to record this video, really simple and quick, to share a bit of my experience with Mitoly over the past 6 months. I'm going to tell you the whole truth here, whether this product really works, if it has any side effects, and the correct way for you to use these pills to get results. It was studied extensively before reaching the market, so I'll give it to you in detail. I will also leave here for you at the end of the video, my before and after, so you can see my results, so you can see my process. And first of all, I need to warn you otherwise. Later, I might forget to mention to you that there are some people reporting losing money when trying to buy Mitoly, and that's been happening. Since it's being sold a lot and talked about a lot of people wanting to buy this also ends up attracting more malicious individuals who are counterfeiting the product. So be very careful with that. Is it? Here to help you so you don't have a headache. I'm going to leave the access link in the video description and also pin it in the first comment, which is the same one I bought. It is only authorized to be sold on the official website. So here's a tip for you. Mitolyn is a 100% natural product in pill form, so you'll need to take it with a glass of water. I'm going to explain how it works, but since it's 100% natural, it has no side effects and doesn't harm our health. This was really good because a lot of people have allergy issues and I'm one of those people, so we have to be very careful about what we put into our bodies. I looked for Mitoly, guys. Actually, I wasn't specifically looking for Mitoly. I was looking for a healthy way to lose weight on the internet. And that's where I found their official website. What's going on, guys? I was going through a very strong emotional issue. An anxiety problem, anxiety attacks, and I took it all out on food. Either I was eating a lot of sweets or I was eating a lot of fast food. So, people sometimes judge us, but they don't know what we go through to gain weight like that. And when I realized it, my body was already way above my ideal weight. My clothes weren't fitting like they used to, and people start to judge. People start to take note, and then you always get those comments. Wow, you've gained weight. Wow, you look so different. A lot of people do this, and I wasn't feeling very good about myself. And that's when I started researching online. I found the myth there and saw that there were some people who were worse off. There were still people who were very overweight and managed to lose weight. They achieved some great results. I decided to make my purchase. I found a discount coupon. I found a way to get to the 80% mark for 6 photos that I already wanted to do the full treatment. As I mentioned to you, I'm going to leave this coupon here for you to take advantage of. Once you click, you have 10 minutes to redeem that coupon. At least that's how it was for me. I decided to buy 6 jars. Right in the first month, you see a really good result. 1 pill a day is enough for you to see results. In fact, I'll leave my before and after here for you, just so you can see how I managed to lose weight in that time period. And it's really great, you guys, because we start losing weight even while sleeping. You can feel your metabolism speeding up. You can really feel the fat burning. We get less bloated. You have more energy in your daily life, so the product is really, really good. I definitely recommend it to anyone who wants to lose weight and just can't find a way to do it. Just make sure to avoid falling for fake websites. The access, I left it down below in the description, already with the coupon form, 80% off for you who wants to save more. I hope so. Even if I help you, I hope you understood and that this video can really help you a lot.